Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizka Aprilia from class 6D and the English Education Department and State Islamic of University Raden Intan Lampung. Okay, in this opportunity, I want to share about the learning media to teach young learners, especially for the 5 years old. Okay, actually, why we have used the learning media to teach young learners? Because learning media as the thing to the student feel easy to understanding about the material or the lesson in the class, and as the more the interesting the learning media, so the young learners feel easy to understand about the lesson in the class. And actually in this video I want to share about the mystery paper as the learning media to teach young learners. And now I want to introduce my learning media. Okay guys, this is my learning media to teach young learners and 5 years old. The name of the learning media is the mystery paper, and it is so easy to make it because it's just from the paper and the board. Actually, in this board there are 12 numbers, start from number 1 until number 12, and in the back of the number there is the paper. And why I choose the name is the mystery paper? Because in the back of the number there is the mystery paper, so the student have to open it. And beside there is the number and the board or the paper. In the back of the number there is some character to play in this learning media. And beside the character there is dice with the number start from number 1 till number 6, and it is to work the character in this learning media. So the student have to spin the dice. And when the number have to look, for example number 5, so the character have to jump start from number 1 until number 5. For example like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after the character stay at the number 5, so we have to open the number of the 5, and we take the paper from in the back is the number. Okay, after I introduced very briefly my learning media to teach young learners, and now I want to practice use the learning media to teach young learners in the teaching and learning process. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How are you today? Fine? Very good. Miss? Okay, Miss fine too. Thank you class. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's we pray together. Start. Finish. Okay, I think because you are so happy today, so I want to ask you to singing together. Anybody want? Okay, now please stand up please. Okay, now we will singing together about the animal. Okay, let's sing together about the animal. Let's sing together about the animal. There are sheep, cow and rabbit. Don't forget about monkey, and don't forget with dog and the cat. Okay? Okay, once more, okay? Let's sing together about the animal. Let's sing together about the animal. There are sheep, cow and rabbit. Don't forget about monkey, and don't forget with dog and the cat. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, sit down please. Okay, after we singing about the animal, now Miss want to ask you about the something. Okay, do you have pet in your home? Anybody want? Anybody have pet in your home? Okay, Tiara, do you have pet in your home? Wow, what is it? Cat? How many do you have? 2 cats. Okay, very good. Okay, how about you, Michael? Do you have pet in your home? Don't have? Okay, no problem. So, Angel, do you have pet in your home? Have? What is it? Rabbit. Okay, so cute. What is the color of your rabbit? White. Okay, nice. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, after I ask you about the pet, now Miss want to show about the picture animal. Okay, can you look this one? Okay, this is there are several pictures about the animal. Angel, can you look it? Ade, can you look it? There is the picture of the animal. Okay, now we will learn together about the name of animal. Start from here. What is it? Anybody know? Cat? Yes, this is cat. Please repeat after me. Cat. Okay, Rama, can you repeat after me? Cat. Okay, good. What is the color of cat? Ade, do you know what is the color of cat? Gray? Okay, very good. Yeah, the color of this cat is gray. Okay, so after the cat, what is it? Pig? No, it is not pig. Anybody know what is it? Yeah, Tiara? Yes, it is cow. Okay, it is cow. Please repeat after me. Cow. Okay. Anybody know what is the voice from the cow? Okay. Nabila, do you know? That's right. The voice from the cow like moo. Okay, can you repeat? Jaka? Moo. Okay, very good. And after the cow, you can look this one. There is, what is it? Yeah? Sheep. Okay, that's right. It is the sheep. Anybody know what is the food from the sheep? Fish? No, it is wrong. Sheep doesn't eat fish. Anybody know what is the food from the sheep? Yes, Ade? Yeah, that's right. Sheep eats grass. Okay, please give applause for us. Okay, now we have to know about the three of the animal the first. Okay, there are the cat, cow, and the sheep. Okay. Okay, now Miss want to ask you to playing the games related with the animal. Anybody want? Okay, good. All of you want to playing the game with Miss? Very good. Okay, so I need one volunteer the first to come in front of the class to playing the games. Okay, anybody want? Okay, Angel, do you want? Okay, please come in. Before we start playing the game, now I want to explain the first about the game. Actually, Miss have some character. She is Zizi, and Miss have the dice. Start from number 1 until number 6. Okay, so the volunteer have to spin in dice like this. Okay, and after you got the number, so Zizi have to jump in this board. Can you look this one? Okay, Miss have one board to playing the game about the animal. For example, Tiara get number 1, so Zizi have to jump in number 1. And after this, Tiara have to open the mystery paper in the back of the number. Okay, very good. Okay, where is the volunteer? Okay, Tiara, please come in. Okay, Tiara, please you spin this one. Okay, Miss help you. Okay, like this. Okay, Tiara got number 3. Okay, can you look this one, number 3. So Zizi have to jump until 3 number in this board. Very good. Let's we count together. Start from number 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice. Zizi has to stay in the number 3. So Tiara, now please you open the mystery paper from the number 3. Okay, let's we open together. Okay. There is picture from this mystery paper. Oh, anybody know what is this? Yeah, Ade, what is this? Rabbit? No, it's wrong. It's not rabbit. Okay, Michael, do you know what is it? Cat? Okay, right. This is the cat. So, what is the color from the cat? Pink? No, it's not pink color. Anybody know? That's right. This is the orange color. Okay. So, anybody know how to voice about the cat? Meow? Okay, nice. That's good. The voice from the cat is meow, meow, meow. Okay, that's right. And after the voice, do you know what is the food from the cat? What is it? Grass? No, it's wrong. Anybody know? Fish? Okay, right. The food from the cat is fish. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, after Tiara, anybody want to be a volunteer again? Okay, if the last the girl, so now Miss asks the boy, who is the one? Yeah. Okay, Michael, please come in. Okay, Michael, so now you have to spin this dice. The first. Okay, let's you spin this dice. Okay, Miss help. Okay. Okay, you got the number 5. Okay, you can look. Michael got the number 5. Okay, now Zizi want to jump 5 numbers, start from the number 3. Let's we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Zizi has to stay in the number 8. Okay, in the number 8. Okay, Michael, can you take the mystery paper in the number 8? Okay, Miss help you. Okay, this is the mystery paper from the number 8. Okay, we can open together. Right. Okay, Miss open it slowly. Wow, it is the good picture. What is it? Cow? That's good. It is cow. Okay, Michael, you got the picture cow. Okay, so after you know about the name of the picture, anybody know what is the color of the cow in this picture? Right? Orange? No, it's not orange color. Anybody know? That's right. Black and white. Okay, very good. So, after the color from this cow, anybody know what is the food from the cow? Grass? Okay, give applause for Tiara. Good answer. Cow eats grass. Okay, very good. Okay, for the last, what is the voice from the cow? Meow? No, meow for the cat voice. Anybody know? That's right, moo. Okay, the voice from the cow is moo. Okay, very good. Give applause for us. Okay, I think enough. I just need to volunteer. Maybe we can next meeting we can playing in this mystery paper again. Okay, so now I want to review again about our material today. So I want to ask again, what is the food from the cat? Fish? Okay, that's good. How about the color from this picture? That's right, white and black. Okay, what is the voice from the cat? Meow. Okay, that's good. Okay, for the last question, what is the color from this cat? Orange. Okay, that's good. I think you are so smart in this class. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, I think enough for the learning today. I hope you can got some information from the our lesson today about the animal. So let's we pray together to close this class. Start. Finish. Okay. I think enough from me and I close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, the last I have to practice to use the media learning to teach young learners, and the purpose of that learning to know about the name of the animal, to know about voice animal, food animal, and the last is about the color of animal. Okay, maybe thank you for me. I hope this video can help you to teach young learners, and I'm close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.